Hey guys, how's it going? Thad with Shoemaker Guitar Works, and I'm back with the 52 Gibson. And as you can see, got that corner piece put back in there. It's all nice and solid, got any glue cleaned off. And so now we're going to move on to this side. And as you can see, it's got separation. The other side is nice and solid now. So all I have to do on this side, this is not a major problem here, but I'm just again gonna water down some tight bond and blow it into the hole, and I will bring you back. All right guys, I hope you can see this. I've got a shady kind of camera stand here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put pressure on it. I'm gonna separate it as good as I can. Try and get as much of that in there as I can. You can see when I stick it in there that it's squeezing out. Now, I'm going to take my brush with a little more tight bond on it. I'm going to dip it in the watered down tight bond and then get it in the not watered down tight bond and just push that in there much as I can. And again, hit it with air. Stick the needle back in there. As you can see, when I squeeze it together, it's squeezing out. So I'm gonna call that good. I'm gonna grab a paper towel. Clean up as much of that excess as I can. Again, I'm going to squeeze it, and you can see the squeeze out coming out of the crack. So, I'm going to clamp it sideways. Like that. And then clean that off. Take a clamp like this. Give a little more downward pressure. Clean that off. I'll let this sit for a little bit. Then I'll pull this back off. I'll clean out any squeeze out that gets underneath of there, or as best as I can so it doesn't glue this chunk of wood to it, and then we're gonna be good. So anyway, that's how I'm doing it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.